I think as a kid there isn't anything cooler than seeing a helicopter floating in the air. And of course I'm from California, the land of motion pictures, and putting the two together just seemed to kind of fit. My name is Henry West, and I make helicopter-based stock imagery. I started out just wanting to merge two things that I really enjoyed, remote control helicopters and photography. Now it's all aerial video, and it's great. It's part hobby, part work, all fun. Video goggles? Yeah, I know they're not that cool, but the view from up there is amazing. Is it always perfect? Well, not always. I mean, there was this time I flew my copter into a sequoia. But you know, it's all great. It's all, you know, part of the journey. You know, I live in a place that's just incredible. I mean, there's so much here. It's just my way of bringing it to people, I guess. But it's more than that. I mean, because there's a connection I get with the space. Going somewhere and photographing it, you connect to it in a deeper way. I think that's what I love. I think it's the connection to this place and to this world. And I'm kind of spoiled. I mean, California's so vast. There's so many things to see. It's like as many things as I can dream up. It keeps taunting me. You know, dream bigger, dream bigger. And I got to tell you, I've never been disappointed.